It is on record that the Right Honorable Chibike Rotimi Amaechi, Chief Emeka Gbeke, and the legal advisor, Mr. Atiku Azubike, voted for Atiku Abubakar, the candidate of the People's Democratic Party in the just concluded election. However, this earlier instruction by Right Honorable Rotimi Amaechi to vote for People's Democratic Party boomeranged on our party during the governorship election of 18th March 2023, as no contrary counter-instruction was given to our teaming supporters in various local government areas to restrain and vote their party. And this accounted for the party's loss in the 18th March governorship election and that of Rivers House of Assembly election. Instead of being remorseful for that, for what he did to the party, Right Honorable Chibike Rotimi Amaechi decided to hinge the blame on our dear President-elect Asiwaju Ahmed Tinubu, claiming that he single-handedly appointed the INEC chairman, Professor Yakubu Mahmood. As party faithfuls, we consider this statement by Right Honorable Amaechi as an affront to our President-elect and the highest level of anti-party activity. Therefore, we stand before the world today to totally condemn and disassociate ourselves from those statements credited to Right Honorable Chibike Amaechi and the party chairman, Chief Emeka Gbeke. This party in Rivers State has suffered a lot of setback as a result of inordinate ambitions and the high-handedness of our leader, Right Honorable Chibike Amaechi, since 2015. And we are saying that enough is enough, and that this party must move forward.